how to check message request on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to see all the message requests received on Messenger but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to see message request on Messenger. Open Messenger on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. A menu will appear. Tap on message request. Over here, you will see all of the message requests received on Messenger. Sometimes request can be in the spam section. Switch to the spam section and check if there are any message requests or not. If you wish to accept or reject a message request, simply tap on the conversation to enter it. To accept the request, simply reply to the message sent to you. You will then be connected. If you like to reject the request, you have two options. Either you can delete the message request by tapping on delete, or you can block the user by tapping block to prevent further message request from that user. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to check message request on Messenger. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.